Yep, there it is. Alright, end it, end it, end it.
No, let's just leave it on.
Hello there! It is a new person here.
I'm gonna go with this joke again since in the other video.
Okay, yeah. No, wait, let's restart the recording then.
No, maybe not.
What is happening, Obi-Wan Ryan crew? I'm your host, Memeing Meme Star. Let's get a ride into some Gmod. Welcome back.
The way I made it was Kriller Cream Starch.
Shush.
Kriller Cream Starch.
Sorry.
You want to do
Shush. I was thinking, alright, so I am here with Obi-Wan Ryan himself. Say hello. Hello. Ooh, you touch my ta-la-la.
Oh god.
My ding-ding dong.
Are you trying to do a split? Sheesh. Anyway, get in the chair.
Yeah. Okay, oh, put a disclaimer. Warning, mature content ahead.
Yeah.
Just to warn you now, if you're under the age of 13, don't watch this. I mean,
Just make sure you're mature enough to handle this, which I'm pretty sure everyone is, so pretty much. Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, wait, there's that crouching.
What?
Oh, God.
Yeah, the seat is.
Nice and squeaky. Like a squeaky toy.
Ouch.
So, my name is Tim, and I am here at Ryan's house today. I'm going to be playing some Gmod. This is my first time ever playing Gmod, so hope we have some fun. And if you want to see more of me, leave a like, subscribe if you wanted to hear Obi-Wan Ryan himself play some games, and leave a comment down below saying, hey, bring Tim back and recommend a game for us.
We are going to play Portal, by the way. I'm going to see if I can.
Yeah, we're probably going to play Portal later, but whatever.
So
Do you know how to set up live streams? Like on YouTube?
yeah, it's very laggy. I don't recommend it.
Alright.
And there's no point doing it either. Regular videos.
Right. Right, come over here.
And not to mention, no one will watch those live streams.
Because barely anybody knows you. Come here.
Exactly.
Come sit on the chair with me so everybody can hear you.
There's not a lot of space.
Shush!
And okay.
Shush.
This is weird.
No, it isn't. I'm sorry. No, come back. Stay here. Stay here. How about I sit on top of you, you god? Damn. Fuck.
Just put your leg over your other leg, like.
Oh, that hurts. That actually hurts. Ow, 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 ow. Let's sit on the bed. Because these headphone kids reach over there.
You know what? Yeah, good point.
That is a good point. So me and Ryan can now talk with each other and you can all hear us. Isn't that right?
Yes. How are you supposed to play the game, though?
I fucked the game with my mind.
You're not Magneto. You can't do that.
I have a babe magnet. I can pull babes in order.
You sound like every little kid that plays, like, Call of Duty.
I'm pretty sure everybody that is watching this is now
like
deaf.
I'm pretty sure not enjoying that.
Sorry for the all-intensive ear rape.
Anyway, the game should be getting it anytime soon.
Oh yeah. Oh. Okay, there we go. Hello there. Hello there, you two. Welcome back to Gmod. So, yeah, Ryan's in the background. My name is Tim, and I am new to this, so yeah. All right. Hold it down. Where's the key?
And that's all you need to know at the current time.
Oh, I have to hold it down. I'm about to die.
Press C to get rid of them. A couple times. That's Z, sorry, Z.
You said C.
I said Z. And
Oh, god dang it. Alright. How do I get boosters and stuff? Because I want to make a rocket-powered... I forgot.
By yourself. Do it, friend.
Here we go. Okay. What the?
Or not as well. In fact, go back to the figures. Physics gun.
This?
Physics gun. It says physics gun.
I don't know what that is. Gravity gun?
It's right under it. Do the thing, get do the thing. Okay, scroll. There we go. Scroll again. Select it. There we go. Now, grab the body and throw it everywhere. Like slam it to the ground like you're Hulk.
Oh!
You know, just throw it. Throw it.
Hold up. Yeah.
There we go.
Okay, I'm gonna need to get rid of this. Yeah, this is much better without this.
Yeah. Alright.
Oh my.
The bike can explode, by the way. Let me try it. Hold on. Can I?
Oh my god, I threw it all the way over there.
Can I try it? Stay for a second.
Yeah.
No, if I do this correctly, where's the body? Oh, okay.
It's somewhere.
It disappeared. Never mind. All right.
420. Okay.
Sorry.
Alright, so now I'm on my own. Vehicles. Okay. Sorry, I'm just not talking too much because I'm new at this. All of you are probably, huh? All of you are probably screaming at me right now because I don't know how to do anything. How do I get on this? Right click?
Here, I'll give you something to start with.
No, give me like boosters. I need some boosters.
Here.
No.
Your quest is to defeat this thing.
Are you asking the impossible? Pulse rifle. V? I am pressing. Oh, is that it? Oh, there we go. Where is it? 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 Oh, RPG, RPG, RPG. Boom. How do I reload this? Okay, that did nothing. Crossbow. Come on, die, you stupid Oh god, it's in the air. I don't. And here's me trying to do it the hard way.
You're gonna kill yourself. You can press V.
No need. Alright, Q.
Because if you know.
Shush, shush, shush. How do I reload this stuff? Boy? See? How do I reload? Is it R? No. No, I mean... Okie dokie. How do I, get rid of this? Shush you. Alright. Can you help me, please? Reloading this? Well, you... Oh my god, I have to go with them. Oh. I don't care. Oh, that's disgusting. That's just disturbing. How do I respawn? Is it automatically respawn me? Triple A. Triple A. Oh yeah. Oh god. I'm gonna get a shotgun. I'm gonna go pulse rifle. Ah! What the freak? Are they dead? What the heck are you? I think this is the SMG. Ow. Oh, alt. What is it? What is it? Suit, battery suit, SMG grenade. Trying to spawn the ammo for the, that?
Yeah.
For the alt thing.
Yeah, you already have ammo. Look, you're at 900
Wrong one.
What do you mean wrong one?
I need the one for the pulse cannon thing.
Combine balls. Or it's beside that.
Combine bolts.
It's the little thing like balls.
This thing.
No. the
That.
other side.
That.
No.
That?
More spherical. Oh, they're like grenades. They're like grenades.
That.
The yellow glowing grenades.
That. No, it's a health vital.
Look up. People are like screaming at you right
Oh.
now.
It's that thing.
You just bump below you and it'll automatically pick it up.
Oh, jeez, I have 18. Oh, God, I'm gonna press V. Oh, shoot.
You're in the ground.
I know I'm in the ground. Ow. Alright. Oh, God. Entities. NPCs. Dark Souls. Oh, God. What was that in again?
It was at the top. Go up.
Oh.
Not that one. Down. This one. What is it? I can't see it. That one. It's like Messiah or something like that.
Oh, so it's down here.
Oh yeah, those are memes that will chase you. A lot of memes. You wanna place one?
No. No, that's not it. That's not it.
It says Messiah.
What the fuck?
Messiah. It's somewhere
You wanna come over here and do this? This isn't as easy as it looks.
Alright. Can't see from here, but alright, can you give it to me?
Yeah, just oh jeez, I didn't let go of Q.
Dark Messiah.
Oh. You could have said Dark Messiah so I would have known where it was. Wait. Oh shoot, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Get rid of it. Z.
You can kill it, you know. You can't kill
I
it.
don't care. Eat my dust. No, I wanna try to kill this person. What the?
Actually,
You just undid an RPG rocket.
I know.
Jesus Christ.
I'm gonna go in here.
Where are you going?
In here, I'm gonna spawn a bunch of memes.
No! I know this map. I know this map.
What?
Freaking, new skit. No. Whatever you were just on. No. Don't you dare spawn those little creepos. No. Oh, God, Jesus Christ.
I just realized I have to disable
Oh,
thinking
oh,
so that
oh.
they don't actually. Hey, there we go. There's one. There's another one.
Oh, yeah. I'm fapping so fucking hard right now.
Seriously?
Jesus. What the? Okay, stop. That's it. Stop. Stop it. Get some help. Stop. No, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Go up right inside of it.
No, it will not kill me.
I don't care. Just go right up in it. I want to hear the Undertale in my. John Cena. Go right up inside of him. Let go.
Now, this is how how it's gonna work.
I'm gonna run, because you can't kill a meme.
Now, they have their own AI thing.
So they know where you are no matter what.
Yeah, and they can easily get to you. Your job is to survive.
Oh, God.
And you cannot despawn them.
Fuck.
Anyway, have fun. They are now let loose. Through the caves and caverns. And you're gonna have to...
No. Where'd you spawn that? How do you go quickly?
Without space. Sorry, not space. Shift.
Oh.
I move while holding down shift. Only one shift. It's only left shift they have to hold down. Right doesn't matter.
Oh. Oh, jeez. Shut up.
This time, you cannot no clip.
We're gonna edit that out. That never happened.
You're not allowed to look. You're not allowed to no clip.
Why can I not move?
It's dark outside. That makes it much more scenic.
I got you. Eat my Q.
Think it's gonna work?
Entities. I died again.
Can you spawn back or
I could just do that and be a total fucking hacker. Oh God, they found me. Shoot. Oh God. Oh shoot. Yeah. Eat my dust.
Cena and Doge, which were interesting category. Interesting.
Huh?
They can jump as high as they can to get you. Like seriously.
Oh shoot, I gotta reload.
No, like, seriously, they can still get you.
Oh shoot, my rockets.
So watch how high they jump. Watch.
I don't want to. Oh God.
You can jump as much high as they can.
Okay.
Rockets don't work.
I don't care. Okay, got it. Now I can nuke these guys. Pew! Ah, get away from me. What the? Where have you been? Hello. Good. Huh?
Did you enjoy your friend there?
Oh, he just boned me. Just gave me a, oh God.
There's a sand one. I don't have it downloaded though. Maybe I don't know. I didn't spawn all of them. Yeah, I don't know. You know there's Pedo Bear meat. There's Pedo Bear ones as well. Okay.
Yeah. I got it.
Panda Bear or something like that.
These are always taking too long. Oh god.
Hey guys, I forgot what I was gonna say. It's me, Ryan, Obi-Wan Ryan, whatever.
And I am his friend. I've done a couple other videos. You probably haven't seen them. Because as you know...
They're all gonna be combined in one video. You know,
well then, we can make an entire series off of this. Also, disclaimer at the beginning of this, please.
Yeah, my friend has the tendency to be the combination of the internet altogether. But Timothy, seriously, try your best not to curse.
I will try. That's my honest, like, I will try.
Alright.
Just pop a squat right here.
So, how's your day?
Awkward silence is 2017. Is this webcam on?
No, it's not on. If I had it on, the sound from there and you're in the mic with a bad one. Yeah, going from good quality to terrible quality.
Yeah, exactly. Or, as he would normally say without recording, from good quality to shitty quality.
That's what I wanted to say.
Yes, that is what he wanted to say. Don't wake the Kraken. That's bad. Why would you want to wake the Kraken?
I'm happy that my homeland's being nuked. This is a great day.
And in case you haven't already
Smile
noticed...
for the picture.
And in case you haven't already noticed, we are playing Kerbal Space Program.
It's like 5 seconds later, skin's just falling off in the radiation.
Yay! There we go. Shh. Yes, planets orbit that sun so close that you can nearly touch it. Yeah, time warp. Ooh.
Don't fly on
I'm gonna fly it anyway.
I don't think it's gonna work.
Yes, it is. It'll always work.
It's from a previous thing I've tried to create.
Ooh,
Oh,
yeah,
never
let's
mind.
do it.
She's saying
Let's
it's okay.
do it.
Alright, then try it.
How do I do this? I forgot how to do this.
Just press space. Is it space? Hold on. Hold on.
Space.
How do you?
These nuts. How do you go forward and upward? Come on.
I'm sorry, I forgot how to play this game.
It's fine. I don't know what the heck I'm doing.
Why are the controls not working?
What are the controls? How are you supposed to fly this thing?
I think it's messed up. Let's exit the menu. What's our new?
Mun or bust.
You want to change your thing or just?
Nah.
And we choose.
Flowey. Apparently.
It's Floyd.
I don't care. It looks like a flower. It's gonna be Flowey. That's his name. His name is Flowey.
It's funny.
Okay, it's Flowey.
What's funny is that the name is very similar to Flower, but it's Floyd. Okay, we'll call him Flower. Flower.
Override it. Override it.
Yeah, sure. Flowery.
Floyery. Floyery.
We are speaking.
Thanks, I've got it. I don't give a
We are.
cock.
I don't know.
Please, please. Got it. I don't care about your stupid little stuffy stuff.
It turns out we know how to speak retard.
Ooh, yay, it's a big thingy. That's what she said.
Build your ship.
Yes, I'm gonna build a bunch of shit.
I'm not gonna use cheats, so you gotta make sure that ship actually works.
But I wanna use cheats.
You want me to help you with that?
Yes. Ooh, hey. Hey.
Let's build,
Ooh. That beat though.
let's build a simple rocket design.
That beat though. That beat though.
This
That beat though.
and that.
Hey, that beat though. That beat though. Hey. That's awfully big, don't you think? That's what she said.
And we will get rid of you, and you. Bob will pilot.
Bob will pilot this entire thingy.
No, it actually works.
I'm gonna cry.
Okay, so
Bob Kerman, get ready to die.
here we go.
Yay, we're flying. Look at Bob. He's like, Bob's in the corner like, oh my fucking god.
Oh no!
I'm gonna die.
Oh no! I'm the only person. I'm not even in the pilot's seat. Who's the pilot?
Alright, can we get back into the... I'm pretty sure everybody's already clicked off the video after I did that.
You know, it's gonna be a good video.
I am not sorry at all.
Sorry about that.
Half? Let's speed it up. I'm gonna press space as much as I want to. I'm pretty sure everybody's already deaf. Uh-oh, here we go.
We're going into orbit.
We're going down! No! We're going down! Oh. Oh, crud. Oh, crud.
Oh. But we didn't.
Oh, we were so close. Let's warp it like 5 times. Oh, we can only warp it 4? Make it times 8. Woohoo! Oh, Lord. We're coming down, dude.
Have him EVA?
No. Wait, was evacuate? Is that what that means? Oh!
Oh, well, then that just happened. Oh, I see what happened.
He blew up.
Yeah, he blew up. The ship over there is still going down. What button do I have to use? What button is this actually?
He's nuts.
Oh, it crashed.
Well,
Hey, look. It's,
we're stranded out
it's,
here.
a
Bump.
pole over there.
It's a bump. It's a
Another
bump in the
pole.
world. It's a bump in the world, huh? It's a bump.
Alright.
I've only got like 4 more minutes left to do this video, so gotta hurry up a little bit.
Want to revert flight or?
Nah,
to-
Space Center.
We'll revert back to the vehicle assembly. Add stuff to it. Have fun.
Oh yeah, I'll have fun.
If you add something to the tip there, something sharp, it's not gonna be that face.
I can't.
It will give it better aerodynamics, okay?
Giggity.
Oh yeah, the son of Quagmire.
Oh, come on.
Seizure warning, and I mean that in a way where the person playing this game.
Is having a seizure. Which one did you use? This one?
No. That is,
Oh God.
I used that one.
That one?
Can I say this?
Oh God.
Wait.
Wait.
Is it okay if I say something?
No.
Please.
You're not allowed to say anything.
Why?
Cause. What the heck, man? You're messing up my rocket. It's gonna go to space! I'm trying to make everybody's ears bleed.
You know what? I'm saying this. Today will be the day that we shall penetrate the solar system. No, we shall penetrate the atmosphere.
I like making people's ears bleed.
Okay.
Was that the door? It was the door. It was the door all along. Alright, what we got? Ooh.
Apple pie, sweet potato pie.
Oh Lord. That thing's tiny. That's what she said.
There's a reason why I went over here. So we can do.
That's tiny. No, it's small.
I wish it wasn't.
Jackhammer's what I call my penis. If you're not above the age of 12, please don't watch this video.
Above the age of 12. Oh my goodness.
Shut up. Let's go fly this thing. Woo!
Today is the day that we penetrate the atmosphere and reach out to space.
In other words, he wants to put this thing into outer space. Let's go.
Oh my god.
Are we not even moving?
We're moving. It's
Oh.
there's more weight than thrust.
Run.
And when there's more
Bob.
wait.
Bob, prepare to die. Yay, you survived. Can we get him out?
I'm okay. Yay! Freedom! And that day, he cracked his neck. The end. Alright, have fun.
Alright.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go back over here. MET? Oh, Lord. Woohoo! Well, I'm going back. Oh, what the hell? Nope. How do I get back? How do I get back? Escape? Alright. Oh, Lord, that's nice. Alright, well, gonna leave this episode off right here. I gotta go back to my original house, and, Ryan's already gone, so I'm just gonna do the outro for him. Well, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.